Hi guys, today we're working on a black cat cake. As you can see, I've got a cake. It's a real cake. It's covered in white ganache. Why white? It's just because I've got a Raffaella cake, laid beautiful with some crispy inserts, and I didn't want to cover it in all dark colors. And you will understand why. I just wanted to have a white ganache, and then only the outer layer I'm going to be using dark chocolate ganache for black color. So I've got some dark chocolate ganache and I added some natural black coloring in, so I'm going to mix it. I'm not a very big fan of too much color. It's unavoidable, but still. Alright, I've got dark chocolate ganache with a dash of black. And now I'm gonna cover it in a thin layer just to make it black cat. Starting from the top, working with my beautiful spatula. Let's make little ears, nose and eyes for our black cat. I just have a piece of fondant. I'm gonna roll it and make a little nose, then I will follow with the ears and eyes. So here's the finished product, my black cat with whiskers. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you want to see more, please like this video and subscribe. Ekats!